Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Honda. We are part of Cox Motor Group team in the northwest of England. Today I'll be showing you the Civic 1 litre VTEC. This really nice blue color. To start off with, we got this projector headlamp, the automatic. We do have front and rear parking sensors along with the fog lights there. In this video I'll be showing you walk around of the car, and it's got potential any wear and tear on it. Got this really nice black grille, got blue and black accents going on all around the car. Got this 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. It's the first alloy there. Sold it from brand new. We sold it to a really nice customer. The second alloy there. Got this LED tail lamp along with the rear parking sensors and a camera just under there. Show you the boot space on this car. Really lovely Civic boot space. The partial shelf here and a retractable partial shelf as well. You have more storage space under here, so you want to get more in. You got your tire packet in there. The seats do fold down all the way. Really lovely. Got the spoiler on top as well, a shark fin antenna. There's a third alloy there. With regards to wear and tear, just a scratch down there with a little dent, but not to worry about. Our body shop team will take care of it. The rear seats have never been used as well. The customer told me. All 4 automatic windows, speakers as well. It's got a Garmin sound system on it, along with navigation. Front one there. We'll jump in. I'll show you the miles it's got on the car. Other than that's just a small dent, nothing else. It's a 4th alloy. Really lovely car. Jump in, I'll show you inside. All 4 automatic mirrors there, along with your wing mirror function. They do fold as well. So the car's done 18,845 miles. Got this multifunction steering wheel, along with your hands-free functions on the left and adaptive cruise control along with lane keep assist. There's your parking sensors right under here, along with departure mitigation, stability control, and lane departure warning down there. You do have automatic headlights, like I said, auto rain sensing wipers, lovely TFT touch screen, navigation there, dual zone climate control. Does work. DAB, FM, Bluetooth, name it, it's got it. There we go. Some storage space under here. 6-speed manual gearbox. Yeah, auto on and off, eco mode, brake hold, and your parking brake. I'll show you the reverse camera. The reverse camera comes with 3 modes. You got the ultra wide, wide, and just the top view from down. So the car's here with us. We'll live with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team if you want a personalized video or want to know more about the car. Also, please do like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.